Okay.
I sprayed these suckers down. Well, at least I tried to spray them.
I'm also recording too. We're getting the next boxes.
It's fun.
Okay. Hi, Cash!
You should do that. You should do it with ours. You want a little bit of water? He'll dry off. It's pretty hot out here.
Yep.
Have some cooling, babies. Hey, you in the back, Rosie. Girl's gonna kill me if she finds out.
Yeah.
Hey, we're trying to get him nice and cooled off.
Mhm.
Does that feel good? See, I'm just thirsty. So where did it go? What's some more?
Is it?
Your dad's gonna get mad at me.
I'll say I did it.
No, it's fun.
Okay.
Because we were trying to get stuff done and he got in the way. It's okay. He's a dog. He'll dry. Have some cooling. I think they're all cooled off now.
Uh-huh.
Who's been eating the rent? Who ate the rent?
Oh my gosh.
What?
You're doing this saying? The rent saying?
I watch someone too much. She literally has 60 chickens and they only give her 4 eggs a day.
Oh my gosh, her.
So what she says is fried eggs or fried legs, ladies, and then she'd be like, rent is due.
Oh my gosh, her. The one that usually uses the metal basket. Oh my, her, yes.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
She gets 4 eggs a day from 60 chickens.
Damn.
And they've been laying on the ground. Does that feel good, ladies? I think that feels good for them. Look at him. Look at him. Alright.
Poor Silver. No, I'm good.
Go give them to your mom.
I can do.
No, go give them to your mom real fast.
Put them. Come on.